guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping haul to styling services, from brand new stuff to thrift items. I do it all. I love clothes. I love trying new boxes. I'm just having a blast. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I thank you so much for your support. And let's get into it. So today I have another ThredUP Goody box. This is my third one. If you're not familiar with what ThredUP is, it is an online resale shop. You can sell stuff to them and then you can obviously purchase stuff. And I've gone on there and done a couple shopping hauls, and then I started doing the goodie boxes, and I have a blast with the goodie boxes because they send you a lot of stuff, and well, mostly because they send you a lot of stuff, and who doesn't like to get a lot of stuff? And it is always a surprise what's in the box, and it is just a lot of fun. When you request a styling box, they want you to confirm your sizes, and then they ask you kind of a few style profile type things, and they ask you to pick out like four types of things that you're looking for. So this is going to be a top heavy box because I listed tops, sweaters, coats and jackets, and pants. 3 out of the 4 categories are tops, so expect to see a lot of tops in this box. I will say the goodie box, they send you I think 10 to 15 items. It's a $10 styling fee that does get applied to anything that you purchase. If you are interested in trying ThredUP, whether you are shopping and you want a goodie box to get a $10 credit, please use my referral link below, and I also get a $10 credit. And I have gotten a couple of credits from viewers, so thank you guys so much. I want to say it was Devin and maybe somebody who went by like Miss Kitty or something like that. So thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate you guys using my referral link. And I think I'm done with the introduction. I'm ready to get into this box and see what they sent me. It's been a few months since I've done one of these, and I'm just super excited. So I broke the seal, but I have not looked inside yet. Okay, so this is what your box looks like. Oh, and I lost my paperwork. Box looks like when you open it up. So they always have the cute polka dot tissue paper. They have the paperwork, which includes the mailer and the prices of everything. I'm not going to look at that till we've gone through all this. So let's dive in and see what they have in here. Okay, so first off, we have this maroon sweater. It looks like kind of a longer sweater, maybe not quite tunic length, but maybe it is. And then it's got these leather pockets in the front, which is super interesting. And this is by J.Crew. So I really like this sweater. This is a nice sweater. We're off to a good start. Next up, looks like they've got like shirts on one side and pants on the other. So let's do the shirts first. Next up, there's this blouse here. It has striping on it and then kind of a yellow accent throughout it on the pockets and along the button down front. It's very thin and see-through. I feel kind of about it. I don't know. I think it's the coloring, but who knows? Maybe once I get it on, it'll look amazing. And this is by The Letter. Never heard of that, but I mean, it looks like a nice blouse. I'm just not sure if it's my thing. And then we have a brown 3/4 sleeve cable knit sweater, and this is J.Crew as well. I have a cable knit sweater almost exactly this color, so most likely this won't end up being a keeper for me, but we'll see. And then we have another sweater. Okay, this one is a black and gray sweater, and it is a high-low, so the gray part you can see that's a little bit higher than the black part here. And it's just straight up, you know, black in the front, gray in the front, black in the back. And I think that's an interesting detail for sure. And this is also J.Crew. This is my box of J.Crew. And then we have this blouse from Loft, and it is just a light purple blouse with a pocket here. Again, it's one of the sheer type blouses, and full length sleeve. It does have the tabs on it if I do want to roll the sleeves up, which I always enjoy a tabbed sleeve. Ooh, and then we've got a jacket. Ooh, this is exciting. All right, guys, look at this. This is like a khaki jacket. It has a zip in the front. It's got some, it's kind of like a utility type jacket, I guess I'd call it. So it's got several pockets in the front, one up here. And this is from Style&Co, and it is petite, so I enjoy a nice petite clothing item. I really like this jacket though. This is kind of awesome. So hopefully this fits, and hopefully it's not too expensive. Now, all right, pants. So we've got a pair of black dress pants. They are skinnies. They do not look too long, which is awesome. And then they have an interesting like leather side stripe, but it's like it tapers off. So it starts up here and it tapers down. So that's an interesting detail. And also leather here just at the top of the pocket in the back. These don't actually have any real pockets. That gives the illusion of pockets, but it does have a button front and zipper. And this is by Aqua. So I really like this. It's very unique with the leather pieces on it, or faux leather, I'm assuming. So that's very interesting. And then we have another pair of dress pants by Sanctuary. And they're just again, a black skinny leg dress pant. They feel nice and thin, so these are actually probably good summer type dress pants. I wear a lot of skirts and dresses to work in the summer, but sometimes a girl just needs to throw on a pair of pants. So I like that. Ooh, and then we have a blazer by Banana Republic. It's a petite blazer. It's full length sleeve, and it's just a 2-button front blazer, but that is a nice looking blazer for sure. And then last up, we have this cardigan. It is a brown cardigan. It looks like a 3/4 sleeve and a drape, sort of a drape front to it. I'm not quite sure what's going on with this neckline. I mean, it's clearly a drape front, but we'll see how that sits on. And then it does have pockets in it, which, you know, again, just like dresses, all cardigans should have pockets. We need some place to put our cell phone, and not all our pants have pockets, so maybe at least our cardigans could. And this was by Kenneth. Okay, so lots of sweaters, a few pants, a few jackets, fun box. I can't wait to try this stuff on. Okay, first off, I have 3 of the pieces on: dress pants, the blouse, the blazer. I don't know why I listed it out. You can see them. The dress pants I really like. They're a perfect length, and they're exactly what I am looking for, so that's awesome. The blazer, I feel like it fits really well. Let's go ahead and button that here. I think it is cute and a great fit. So this has a good potential to be a keeper for me. So a great business blazer. And then the surprise for me was this purple top. I did not expect to like it, and once I had it on, it was like, oh, that's nice. So I left one sleeve down and rolled up the other sleeve. So I could not wear the sleeve down unless maybe it was under a blazer like that. It's just super long, and if I do it here, I just have a lot of extra fabric. But it does have the tabs on it for rolling up. It's a good fit. It's a high-low, and you know, I'm not really into pastel colors, but I actually really like this. This may be a keeper as well. So I'm off to a good start. Love this entire first outfit, and let's go to the next one. Next up, we have the dress pants with the leather strip on them and the other button-up shirt. I figured out what I don't particularly love about this button-up shirt. It's that I think the yellow accent on it actually gives it a pajama look. So this kind of looks like pajama top to me. So definitely not interested in this. The dress pants, they're actually more like leggings. So they're super tight. I'm not like I can't get them on. They're very comfortable, but they just have a legging fit to them. So I will not be keeping these because I do not wear leggings to work. They do have a great length to them, so they're not too long, or not much too long. But like I said, I don't wear leggings to work. That's not really work appropriate for where I'm at. I will not be keeping this entire outfit. All right, next up. Next up, we have this sweater, and I have all tops from here on out. I think it's a cute sweater, but one, it's a little bit itchy, and two, I just don't know that it super excites me, but I do like the high-low on it, and the multicolor is an interesting detail on it. So it is a nice sweater, I just don't think it's probably a keeper for me. Next we have the maroon sweater with the leather pockets. Again, I think the leather pockets are an interesting detail. Oh, and they're actually really soft on the inside, the leather is. But I don't know. Again, I don't know that there's anything that excites me about the sweater. It's just, yeah, it's a nice sweater. Again, maybe a little bit itchy. Maybe I'm just having an itchy skin day. I don't know. But it's an okay sweater. Let's go to the next top. So I actually like this sweater quite a bit. I think it's the 3/4 sleeve. I don't really have much as far as 3/4 sleeve sweaters. And I don't know, I think that makes it kind of cute. I do have a very similar colored sweater that's cable knit like this, so I don't know. What do you guys think of this one? Maybe it's too boring too. The color might be too sludgy. I don't know, but I do like it. So, I don't know, we'll see. This sweater is definitely very interesting. It has an interesting shape to it. I think I'm supposed to fold it over like this. I originally had put it on like this and felt like it looked sort of weird, but maybe that would work as well. But I think I prefer it folded over. And I think it's, like I said, it's an interesting shape for sure. Again, it's a 3/4 sleeve, so I find that interesting. It does get like shorter in the back, so I don't know how I feel about that, but I really do like this. And it's very unique. Again, the color is kind of but I've got a lot of colorful tops that this would be a good cardigan for. So, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Okay, I think this jacket is kind of awesome. I love the uniqueness of a utility jacket. This is what it looks like from the back, and I think it's cute back there. And I don't know, I just really like this jacket. Let's zip it up and see what that looks like. Half zipped, all the way zipped. Okay, I like it. I definitely like it. The only thing I'm slightly hesitant on is, and this is never an issue for me, but the sleeves might actually be slightly too short, or maybe they're actually just the right length and I'm just used to everything being too long. But I think this is a cute jacket. So the price sheet on this jacket said $3.99, and I feel like that can't be right. If it is, I think we all know I'm keeping it. But I will have to email ThredUP and make sure that it is indeed $3.99, because if it's something like $39.99, then it's like, I'm not sure about it. But for $4, I'm keeping it. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, you do get a little envelope with some information in it. So in here they have the mailing slip for basically putting back on the box and sending back. Mine is through USPS, which I always appreciate because the post office is like less than a mile from my house. Then they have a little booklet that just kind of, you know, advertises for them about who they are, and basically they're all very happy who work there. Then a sheet telling all about what they're doing with the goodie boxes, and then the price sheet. So pretty much everything but one of the J.Crew sweaters is in the $20 to $30 price range, other than this jacket, which is evidently $3.99. I categorized all the things in my box into not keeping maybe, and definitely keeping. The not keepings I'm not going to talk about. I've already gone through those. The definitely keeping is the last cardigan that I tried on, the drape front and the sanctuary dress pants. And then this jacket, again, provided that it's $3.99. And then the maybes, I'm still trying to figure out what to do with these. This is probably not a keep, but it is an interesting sweater. I like the high-low. I like the multicolor. The blouse, I'd call this more of a probably. I think I will probably be keeping this because it is an interesting blouse. The downside being it's not really a fall color, I don't think, and so I'll probably have to wait until next spring to wear it. And then this sweater, I like the 3/4 sleeve. I like the fit of it, though I probably don't need it. And the blazer, I like it. I'm just not sure if I'm excited enough about it to keep it. So I don't know yet, but you guys give me your opinion. I'd greatly appreciate it. I have 7 days in order to return this. Any opinions you could provide would be appreciated. And I had a lot of fun, so hopefully you guys did too. Again, if you are interested in trying ThredUP, I have a referral link below for you to get $10. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.